Shelves full of goods, clothes of various colors and sizes, numerous accessories. You will always find something you like in this shop. LPP is Poland's largest clothes industry company. The company is the owner of many well-known brands. Over 900 LPP shops offer limited edition runs of fashionable designs, a huge variety and reasonable prices. All the things that clients value the most. Thanks to this, the company in less than 20 years has dynamically developed and become the unchallenged leader in Poland. Currently, brands that belong to LPP are continually cornering the European markets. Success in sales cannot be achieved without perfectly organized logistics. This is why, in 2007, the managing board of LPP decided to build a modern distribution center in Pruszcz. While planning the construction of the center, LPP authorities faced an important decision. Should a single supplier of all machinery, equipment and IT system to manage their functions be chosen? Or should separate elements be ordered at different suppliers? A conclusion was drawn that each supplier has their own area of expertise. For this reason, the decision was made to select the best equipment and systems offered by various companies. The choice of a supplier of the warehouse management system that coordinates the functioning of the facility was a key issue. A solid, thoroughly tested system was required, one that would be flexible and would boast an open architecture, able to link automated systems purchased from various suppliers. After a discerning market analysis, the managing board of LPP decided to cooperate with a Poznan-based company, PSI Poland, which belongs to a German leader in industrial IT, PSI AG. Two qualities were decisive over the choice of PSI: 40 years of experience on Germany's demanding market and a constant presence of its team in Poland. In LPP's view, out of all Polish companies, PSI Poland presented the best references needed for a project of such complexity, with such a large number of automated systems. On the other hand, the choice of a foreign supplier would not guarantee swift and harmonious maintenance after implementation. This is of key importance for LPP. What exactly is the role of the PSI system? The distribution center issues 200,000 to 300,000 items of various goods on a day-to-day basis, which corresponds with over 100,000 orders. This large number of orders results from the fact that each day shops need to replace as little as 1 to 2 items of each article. Therefore, we have thousands of constantly varying combinations of products in different sizes, and every single item must find its way to a specific outlet. The system controls not only the work of the machinery, but also of the personnel. Close to 100 people work on a single shift at the facility. The system allocates and points out specific tasks to every employee and supervises how the work is done. The entire process is carried out in a document-free form, using mobile terminals and automated systems. All this gives a general idea of the degree of complexity of the processes managed by the PSI system. Let's take a look at how the LPP distribution center works. A lorry drives up to a ramp. During its unloading, the received goods are registered and assigned to the barcode on the pallet. Since the goods will be transported to a shop in a few days, the pallet is sent to the high bay storage warehouse. The system directs the forklift operator to where the pallet is to be stored. Each operation is confirmed in the system by the scanning of the barcode. The entire process of receiving the goods is totally simplified. When information from a shop regarding the demand for goods is received, the pallet is removed from the high bay storage warehouse and transported to the picking area. Here, the cartons needed on that day are taken off the pallet. On the screens of their terminals, the employees are informed about the type and number of cartons to be collected. Goods from every carton undergo a picking process. This process ends with the sending off of a plastic container on a conveyor belt to the sorting facility. Articles of typical size are sorted fully automatically. The employee only places the articles on the trays of the sorting machine, which, after scanning the barcode, automatically places the article in the right carton intended for a specific shop. In this way, over 12,000 pieces of clothing can be sorted in a single hour. A pick-to-light sorting system is used to sort articles of unusual shapes. It is also utilized when sales are at their peak. The container with the articles finds its way to the employee responsible for sending goods to several shops. Each compartment is meant for a specific shop. On the display screen, the employee receives information regarding the required number of items of each article. Going by the displayed numbers, the employee distributes the articles into the cartons that are then transported to specific shops. Whilst on the conveyor, the cartons are weighed and sent to the points of packaging. Here, a label which constitutes a weigh bill is printed. It is the only paper document in the entire process. The completed parcels are placed on pallets. The driver receives the goods. After a few hours, they arrive at a shop. In less than 24 hours, the shelves and hangers in every shop have been restocked. This is how LPP provides clients with service and variety of the highest level. The distribution center is of key importance to the entire logistics of LPP. This is why stability is a very important quality of PSI products. It has been achieved thanks to years of experience and a number of successful implementations worldwide. One has to bear in mind that business at present is very dynamic. Just a few months after the opening of the distribution center, logistics processes were extended due to the takeover of two former competing brands, House and Moito, by LPP. Major changes that followed were a result of the crisis on financial markets. At the time, LPP focused on an even greater optimization and efficiency of the logistics processes. In both instances, thanks to close cooperation with a team of Polish engineers, the swift adaptation of the system to new requirements was possible. The LPP distribution center turned out to be an excellent investment. Efficiency was increased and the supply chain shortened. The process of supplying shops with products was improved. All this creates the right foundation for the company's future expansion. At the time being, the authorities of LPP are continuing to cooperate with their proven and stable partner. PSI is a company worth trusting. It offers tested solutions of the highest quality that can be matched with the needs of clients. PSI, World Solutions, custom made.